So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect futures prop firms to your TradingView account so you can trade directly on TradingView. So in this example, I will be using funding ticks. Now this works with any of the different firms that use sort of TradingView, for example. So what we need to do is we need to head over to our funding ticks dashboard. You then want to go to your account and then you will need your credentials to be able to log in. So once we select our credentials, you need your account username and you also need your password. And once you've got both of these, we can now head back over to TradingView. So once we head over to TradingView, you want to go to the bottom left-hand corner, click on Trading Panel. You then want to go ahead and select TradingView. You want to enter in your username, and then you can then go and get your password from your dashboard. And then once we enter in our password, all we need to do now is simply click on the Connect button. And then as you can see, it will then connect to our accounts. So from here now, if market is open and we are wanting to trade, we just need to go to the bottom, click on the trade button. This will then open up this trading panel. You can enter in your risk, you can enter in your contract size and all the different information. If you want to, you can drag and drop the stop loss and the take profit on your chart here. And this is how you can trade directly on TradingView.